Hey everyone, Colleen here. Welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, welcome. In this video, I am going to be showing you my go-to gym routine. This routine focuses primarily on lower body mass gains. I am 5'10" and I have an athletic build, almost rectangular, and I am not very curvy. This routine helped me gain more shape in my lower half, especially my booty and my thighs. As a tall girl, it is hard to gain muscle mass as it takes a lot more muscle to fill out longer limbs. It took a bit of trial and error, but I found the perfect exercises to help me sculpt quickly. I've been strength training since late August 2021, and it is presently February 2022. I want to let you know that strength training is not an overnight miracle. Strength training is an accumulation of consistency. How many times do you show up? Are you consistently doing the same exercises so that you can A, see gains, and gains are like, the growth of muscle, and 2 is building strength. The things that help you not fall down stairs every day or pick up packages without buckling your knees. So these things are important, especially as you get older. I go to Planet Fitness. I strength train on feast days, only because I like to fuel up with protein afterwards and get the protein to my muscles after a workout. My upper body I take care of at work. I work part-time at UPS as a preloader, which involves a lot of upper body movement. I pick up packages 5 days a week for over 5 hours at a time. And this is all from work. I do not do upper body at all. What I will start doing though, I will start incorporating at the gym back exercises. I'm going to start doing back exercises on my fast days, most likely 2 times a week. Right now, I attend the gym 2 to 3 times a week to do this lower body routine. 2 to 3 times a week is a-okay because your body needs sufficient rest time in between breaking down muscle tissues in order to repair it and rebuild it stronger and bigger and better. So having sufficient rest time is key to muscle growth. Sufficient sleep is a big key. Think of sleep as your second workout. Rest and sleep is a big part of growing muscles. I think that's it. Let me get into the workout. So I call this my holy trinity, right? 3 exercises, 3 primary exercises, and 2 isolation exercises. But these 3, yes, my nails are chipped as hell. These 3 are the 3 exercises that 1 got me the results I wanted to see, and 2 are efficient. That means I'm in and out of the gym quick, fast, in a hurry. And 3, I feel it. I feel it. And I don't have to be bouncing around all over the gym. The first exercise in my lower body holy trinity is the leg press. I've been squatting, I've been deadlifting, I've been hip thrusting. I found nothing targeted my glutes the way leg presses have. That's how I feel. At the time I was ready to start, my go-to leg press machine was taken, so I just started off my warm-ups with the more traditional leg press machine, and I did my warm-ups. So I did my warm-ups with 2 25-pound weights, so that's 50 pounds and whatever the leg press machine is. And with the band to target more muscles, I did a close set of 20, an open set of 20, and a wide set of 20. So the leg positioning changed each set just to warm up the body, get it primed for the working set, which are the heavier weights. And that's just the warm up. So for my working set, I was able to go back to my go-to machine, and I like working on that machine. I'm comfortable with it. On my working set, I took off the band and got ready. My feet are wide and my toes are turned out in order to target my glutes. They're a little higher up to target the glutes, because honestly, that's really what I care about, are my glutes. So I did one set of 20 with 100 pounds, one set of 15 with 120 pounds, a set of 12 reps with 130 pounds, and a set of 10 reps with 150 pounds. And that was my working set. Then I moved on the same machine, side leg presses. I like this to target the side booty. And I did 3 sets of 12 on each side with 40 pounds. And it's good to use single leg exercises sometimes, just so you can make sure each side is working evenly. After side leg presses, I moved on to jumping squats, and this is kind of like a burnout, just to fatigue everything, fatigue the glutes, fatigue the quads. I did jumping squats with 40 pounds until failure. There's no counting. I just did it until my legs gave out on me, and that was about 30 repetitions. And on that same machine, on the same leg press machine, I hit my calves. So I did calves with 40 pounds. And for each set, I kind of changed position of my toes. And what this does is it hits different muscle parts. So I did 3 sets of 15 in different positions, all on the leg press. So that's my baby. Leg press is my baby. That's what gave me the juiciness. Okay. After the leg press hits all the gluteus maximus muscles that I love, I move on to leg extensions, which is an isolation exercise. That means it only targets one section, and I'm focusing on my quads. I want to build big, fat, juicy legs. And leg extensions helps build the quads, which are those thigh muscles. I did 3 sets of 15 with 55 pounds. After the leg extensions, I moved on to the second isolation machine. That's the hamstring curls. That's the back of the thighs to help build up those hamstring muscles. And I also did 3 sets of 15 with 55 pounds. Okay, so the second exercise in my holy trinity, right? The hip abduction machine. This hits those side booty, gluteus medius muscles, and when I say that is a game-changing machine, I'm not lying. I used 90 pounds and I did the 3 positions. For me, I do 3 positions. I sit back, I sit forward, and then I lean over. That kind of hits different sections of the side booty. That is a difference maker in giving me more shape and filling out hip dips and just making me look more curvier on the sides. The hip abduction machine is a must. Leg press must, hip abduction a must, and the last must, the last exercise in my holy trinity, the back extensions. Back extensions are where you use a weight to lift your back and your upper glute. And what that does is it gives me a shelf. Yeah, it gives the booty a shelf, so that roundness and that dip in the back comes from this exercise. Love, love, love it. I do 4 sets of 12. My camera died, so excuse the quality change. But that exercise, ever since I started doing it consistently, she just makes my booty look so good. So the Holy Trinity, I really feel bad saying that, but I call it the Holy Trinity because these are the three exercises that made the difference for my backside. Those 3 are just the changers because they hit every single muscle group in the glute. So the leg press hits the gluteus maximus, the hip abduction hits the gluteus medius, and the back extensions hit the gluteus minimus. Big booty, side booty, top booty. Okay, and that's it. That is my go-to lower body gym routine. I'm going to do a week of workouts as I start incorporating back exercises. And the reason I'm incorporating back exercises is to really start building that hourglass shape. The more sculpted the back is, the smaller the waist will look. I'm learning as I go, making sure that form is key, and I'm doing what works for my body, as you should do for yours. Hopefully this helped. You all asked for my workout routine. I will definitely come back and show you more in-gym workouts with me. If you like my gym outfit today, I am wearing this top from Amazon. I will be linking it down below. The bottoms are from Balance Athletica. I really love their stuff. Sneakers are key, especially if you are weightlifting. You want to focus on flat bottom shoes. I saw this girl, she had the illest Converses. She had the nicest Converses. I'll show you. I'll see if I can find it and link a picture right here. I'm wearing Reeboks. I accidentally wore this like years ago to the gym because I had nothing else on me. And I was like, these are my favorite weightlifting shoes. I want all the pairs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.